Hey guys, Candida here, and this is the Relaxing Body Wash Gel by Pipette. What I like about this is it's comfort sensitive skin. My daughter has had eczema from a very early age, and so her skin is always rough and bumpy. And so I'm always looking for something that's not going to aggravate it. And I have settled on this body wash. It's great for the sensitive skin. It is actually infused with the plant-derived moisturizing squalane, and it has a delightful scent of citrus and geranium. So I like the way that it smells. It's not an overpowering scent, but it's also in a gel. And so what I like is it foams up really well. I can put this on the loofah. I can put it on a wash rag, something like that. And it's gonna get soapy and really foam up. And so it helps her just make sure that everything is nice and clean. So as she washes, she can really soap up. It does a great job of cleansing her skin without irritating it. And so for us, this has definitely been a great win for sensitive skin. So I hope you found this review helpful.